Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to make a Discord account on your mobile device, whether that's an Android or an iOS device. The process is exactly the same. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos, and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So the first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is go ahead and download the Discord app from either the Play Store or the iOS iTunes App Store. And once that's installed, you just need to go ahead and open up the app and then go ahead and click the register button. So from here, you can enter either a phone or an email address. Make sure it's one that you do use because obviously it's going to send you a code to verify. In this example, I'm just going to use an email address. And once that's done, you just want to go ahead and hit the next button. And then what you want to do is just put something for your username. Don't worry too much about this for now, as you have got the option to change this later on. So what you put now will not be permanent. And then go ahead and choose a password. And after that's done, you just need to hit the next button. And now you're going to have to enter your date of birth. And once that's done, just go ahead and tick the box to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. And if you do want to read through any of those, all you need to do is click the blue highlighted word and then go ahead and press the create an account blue button just here. So with Discord, sometimes the passwords they're quite strict with. So with passwords, you have to use a combination of numbers and things like exclamation marks or question marks. If you just put a word in, for example, 9 times out of 10, they're not going to allow it to go through. So just bear that in mind when you're creating a password. So I'm just going to do that and hit the register button. And you'll see that's taken me to another page where it says create your server. So I do cover how to create a Discord server in a separate tutorial, and I'll link that at the top of the video right now. So you can give that a click if you want to check that out. What we're going to do today is just cross this off at the top there, and you'll see the account is now created. And what I can do from here is add friends, I can set up a server, and I can join other servers as well. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.